In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Teams account from your PC. If you want to remove a Teams account from your computer, the process is simple, but it's important to do it in the right order so the account is fully signed out and removed from Windows if it's connected there as well. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open Microsoft Teams on your PC. Once Teams is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you'll find the option to sign out. Click Sign Out to log the account out of Teams. After signing out, Teams may take a moment to refresh. In some cases, you might need to close the app and reopen it to make sure the sign out has fully gone through. This is a helpful quick check, especially if the account still appears active or if Teams seems to reopen with the same profile still visible. Once you've signed out of Teams, the next part is removing the account from Windows, but only if that account is also connected to your PC. To do this, open the Settings app on your computer. From there, go to Accounts using the left side panel and then open your accounts. In this section, you'll be able to see accounts that are being used or managed by apps in Windows. Look through the list and find the Microsoft Teams account you want to remove. When you find it, click on it to expand the available options. You should now see a Remove option. Click Remove, and when Windows asks you to confirm, click Yes. This confirms that you want to disconnect that account from your PC. At this point, the Teams account has been removed from the computer. If your goal was simply to stop using that account on this PC, this should take care of it. Keep in mind that this removes the account from the device, not necessarily the account itself from Microsoft's services. So if you sign back in later, it can still be used again unless additional account management steps are taken elsewhere. And that's it. You've signed out of Microsoft Teams and removed the account from Windows on your PC. If you're following along while doing this on your own computer, just take your time with each screen and make sure you select the correct account before removing it.